In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up the AI email builder in Laravel and Livewire, a smart tool to create professional branded emails with your own typography and business details in minutes. By the end, you will have fully working AI-powered email builder integrated into your app. Let's get started. So first we're gonna click this docs link and it's gonna open documentation website. Click get started and open Laravel Livewire installation page. Before we begin installation, let's create a new project with Laravel new command, and I'm gonna name this APX demo. I'm gonna select Livewire as a starter kit and all the other defaults. Let's also run npm install. We're gonna cd into the project and open with code. Let's clean up our project a little bit. And let me copy a data directory which we're gonna need later in installation. So it has a bunch of files, PHP classes, and some other assets, and email builder API key. So let me copy this assets folder to public. I'll explain later why we did that, and we don't need this anymore. Let's back to the documentation. To begin with, we need to install Laravel Sanctum for the API. Let's install Laravel Sanctum by running php artisan install API command. And we're gonna say yes to migration. Next, we need to add composer authentication. Copy this command. Go to the terminal. Replace username with your email, token with the email builder token, so we have it here. What this command does, it add auth.json file at the root of your project. Make sure this file auth.json is added to the Git node. Next, we need to add repository URL to composer.json file. So copy this command and run inside this terminal. What this command does, it's gonna add repository URL to a composer.json file. And let's also use apxdemo.test domain as app URL. So replace localhost with apxdemo.test. Now we have repository URL in Composer. We will be able to download AppsonX package for Laravel builder, email builder. Copy this command and run in a terminal. Once that package is installed, this email builder install command will be available to us. So copy it and run inside terminal. It's gonna ask for the token. So take a token and paste it here. Choose Livewire and run migration as well, and we're gonna run npm install as well. Now the installation command has created bunch of files. Go to app, email builder. Here are some files created by email builder, and also in the routes directory it has created API routes and also web routes for the UI access. So we want to make sure Laravel know about these routes. So we have to update bootstrap/app.php file. Copy the whole content. Open the app.php file and paste it here. It's gonna add these two files right here. And also we have added API prefix, which is API by default as well. And it also gonna add middleware stateful API from Laravel Sanctum. We need to add these environment variables. Copy these environment variables. Go to env file and add them right here. A token has to be the same token we used earlier. The API URL will be apxdemo.test and API prefix. Now AI provider can be any. There are several to choose from. We're gonna start with DeepSeek. Model, a DeepSeek model can be DeepSeek chat, and I will replace API key behind the scene. Now we need to add these sidebar menu items for the UI access. So we're gonna open this file and copy these URL items, paste them right here. We need to also add the CSS variables in app.css file. So copy them, paste them in CSS file right at the end. And we need to make Tailwind aware about the content. Let's rebuild the white. Our installation is almost finished, but we need to, for login, we need to have a test user. Let's go back to the VS Code and open database seeder. And here we can create a test at example.com user. But if we run migrate with seed command right now, it's gonna create test user, and we have to log in with the password and two-factor authentication. But for the testing, we don't need two-factor authentication, and to disable that 2FA, we're gonna change this method without two-factor. Now we are ready to run migration command. PHP artisan migrate fresh, and we're gonna seed as well. Well, let's open the website now. Login, test at example.com and use the password. Here is the email template link, and this is an index page. We can create new by clicking this button here. And we're gonna create with AI. Before we run, we need to make aware AI about the business, about the styling, and about the typography information, which we can update right here. Go to app, email builder, placeholders, business placeholders. In this placeholders folder, you can find business placeholder, style placeholder, and the typography placeholders. These placeholders are very important. They provide information to the AI about your business and about the styling, about the branding, and also about the typography. You can add more placeholders here as you need it, but these are the minimum we need. So if you open business info placeholders PHP file, you will see it has items with a placeholder as a key, and value contains actual value of the placeholder. So you need to update these values and update relevant to your business. For example, I will replace this logo u dark URL with the logo located at assets logo dark, and we're going to use Livewire logo for now. Here is, you can see the style placeholders. Here is the logo width you need to update, text color, link color, your brand color, and so on. Here you can update the typography placeholders. So in a data folder, we have these PHP classes. I have already input some demo placeholders with the updated demo information. So what I do, we're just gonna delete these two files and bring these two right in here. Refresh the page. Now we are ready to give it a try. Let's create an email to verify email address of newly created user. Choose the tone and add emojis, and note that it will also create email subject if it's empty. Here your email has been created with your brand and typography instructions. In upcoming video, we're gonna show how to install AI email builder with Filament PHP package. Stay tuned.